Have you ever felt like your life was falling apart? Like no matter how hard you try, nothing seems to work? Good, because that means your story isn't over yet. It means you're standing right at the point where most people give up and where champions are born. Every one of us has faced moments when we wanted to give up. Moments when life hit harder than we ever expected. When we looked at everything we've done and thought, why isn't it working? Maybe it's your dream career that keeps slipping away. Maybe it's a relationship that broke you in ways words can't describe. Maybe it's that silent battle, the one no one knows about, where you smile in public but fight tears alone. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are simply being rebuilt. Because the moment you decide to rise again, the moment you stand up when no one expects you to, that's when your comeback begins. Life doesn't test you to destroy you. It tests you to reveal what's already inside you. There will be days when nothing goes right, when every door seems to close, when the people you counted on disappear. You'll fail. You'll fall. You'll doubt everything you once believed about yourself. And in those moments, you'll hear two voices, one whispering, "Quit, it's over. You can't do this." And another, softer but stronger, saying, "Keep going. You're not done yet." Which voice will you feed? Because the one you feed will grow. You see, strength isn't born in comfort. It's built in chaos. In the nights when no one sees your tears. In the mornings when you drag yourself out of bed and still choose to fight. Every scar you carry is proof that you've survived. And survival is the first step toward victory. There comes a time when something inside you breaks. Not your spirit, but your limits. You wake up one morning and realize you've had enough. Enough of being afraid. Enough of holding yourself back. Enough of believing the lies that you're not good enough. You start to understand that every person who achieved greatness, every artist, every athlete, every leader, once stood exactly where you are now, unsure, scared, and ready to quit. But they didn't. They took one more step. They gave one more try. They kept showing up long after the excitement was gone. That's what separates the dreamers from the achievers. The courage to begin again, even when it hurts. Every failure carries a message, and if you listen closely, you'll find that it's not saying, "You're done." It's saying, "You're learning." Failure is not the end. It's instruction. It's how life teaches the brave what no classroom ever could. Think about it. Every seed must be buried in darkness before it grows. Every storm that shakes a tree also strengthens its roots. And every time you think you're breaking, you're really being shaped into something stronger. You don't grow when things are easy. You grow when life gives you no choice but to evolve. So don't curse your struggle. Respect it. Because your struggle is your training ground, and pain is your greatest teacher. Now close your eyes for a moment. Picture the person you want to become. That version of you who's strong, disciplined, unstoppable. The one who doesn't break when things get hard, but breaks limits instead. That person is not a dream. That person is you, waiting for the moment you believe enough to bring them out. Stop waiting for the right time. Stop waiting for permission. There will never be a perfect moment. You must create it. Take the risk. Start that business. Apply for that job. Speak your truth. Create something new. Fail, learn, repeat. Because action, not perfection, is what transforms lives. Every small step you take is proof that you haven't given up. And that is what makes you unstoppable. You might look at your life right now and think you're behind. But you're not behind, you're becoming. Becoming wiser. Becoming tougher. Becoming the kind of person who can handle the blessings they once prayed for. Because success without struggle creates ego. But success after struggle creates character. You're learning patience. You're learning humility. You're learning what truly matters. So stop comparing your journey to anyone else's. You're not late. You're not lost. You're right on time for your story. If no one believes in you right now, let me say this clearly. I believe in you. Because you've already survived 100% of your worst days. You've already proven that you can endure. You're stronger than the voice that doubts you. You don't need to have it all figured out today. You just need to take the next step, no matter how small it seems. Because small steps, taken consistently, create the momentum that changes everything. Stand tall, lift your head, and walk forward with faith, because every day you wake up is another chance to begin again. You have one life, one chance to make it count. Don't waste it living in fear or regret or hesitation. Start now. Fail boldly. Rise proudly. And keep going, because your story isn't over yet. And when people ask how you made it, you'll smile and say, I never stopped believing. I never stopped trying. I never stopped beginning again.